Hi everyone, Ben here from the Maths Centre for Excellence at City College Plymouth. Welcome to episode 1 of what we're calling Is it Maths or is it Magic? So here we go. Think of a number, any number you want, but bear in mind you're about to times it by 9. So think of a number, any number you want, times it by 9. Now add the digits of your answer together. So if you had 372, add 3, 7 and 2 together, and keep adding the digits together until you have a single digit number. Now take away 5 from your answer, and then going to do a bit of coding. So if you have a 1, your letter is going to be an A. If you've got a 2, your letter is going to be a B. If you've got a 3, your letter is going to be a C, and so on and so forth. Now think of a country with the letter that you've just got. Now take the second letter of your country and think of an animal. Now statistically speaking, I'm not going to get this right for everybody because you're going to watch in your millions, but I'm going to give it a go. Anyway, I didn't know they had elephants in Denmark. Let us know if I got it right, and let us know what you think.